What's good? My name is Francis. You're watching the FlybyFrancis channel. It's been a hectic week for me. I needed some time to just like focus on school and just worry about these classes because I'm trying to get all A's, straight A's, and I'm taking these 2 online classes. But I'm gonna write down everybody's names who answered, who commented, and put them in a hat, jumble it up, pick a winner for this giveaway. In the meantime, while you wait and while I write everybody's names, you can watch a few clips that I was able to film on my phone. They're gonna be random, my life at UCI. Without further ado, I'm gonna get right to it. Here's the video. I'm down.
You're down?
I'm down for whatever. Dunkin' Donuts, baby. I'm fair. I'm with my boy Christian. Say hi. To cuts everybody in line. He just straight up gets off the car and cuts everybody in line. He's genius. Oh, it smells like shit.
So,
right here?
If it's better come from Lincoln, that means that we're probably like where
over
the
there?
center is.
Yeah.
Club.
What club?
I'm in Meta.
What's that?
So we're like a social political organization on campus.
We're gonna go down the.
I think so.
We can't just take the road.
Oh, that's so far.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, we're still.
Alright, so I actually got stuck working for about an hour. Gotta stay here, man, the booth. It's by myself, man.
Nice.
Yeah, the store center. You know about it, right?
Yes, I do. It's very cool. I'm just trying to find my own booth and feel
Oh, yeah?
I'll be back once I find it.
Alright. So let's get started. 2, 3. The winner is Samuel the Pro. Oh shit, yeah. If you guys have watched my videos on like my travel vlogs when I went to San Francisco, you would know that I gave this dude a shout out. And yeah, man, thank you Samuel for entering. Thank you for supporting my videos. Samuel, hit me up on my DMs and Instagram and I'll get your address and I'll buy you a new watch. All right, hopefully you like it. Thank you for entering. My name is Francis. It's been nice, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.